No in the Q50 fin, it's a race. Little micro AR, that's my bait. If your ass try to run, gon' get chased. Drink to bullets be stinging like mace. Hit the gas and that coupe is gon' shake. Not aiming at bodies, I'm taking your face. Might buzz down the boat where I'm smoking straight shake. Chop knocked off his throat, he thought he got away.
What's up, YouTube? 7 back with it. Finna drop some content now. So we can do anything we want now on this joint. We on private property where I grew up at. Man, this joint hectic, you feel me? We finna bring this good content for you. Cause y'all been running me up, been running all my videos up. I'm sad I ain't had a bro with you, bro. Cause what they would have cheated up too though. For sure. Yeah, just finna have it. These folks like they're just doing extra stuff shit. Alright, boom, back to we back at it, man.
Alright, look, this boy Huncho in this bitch. So we finna get the twerking shit.
You understand me?
He finna throw that ass in the circle.
Ha! Gay!
Oh my gosh, this might.
Come on, I'm straight.
We got AIP. We got the target at that too already set up. We got the ghost joint. Now got the force reset joint.
See that?
What?
That.
The force reset joint?
Yeah.
Y'all know ghost is the best one, not the best.
Bitch, your nuts sweating.
Nah, nigga, that's oil. I just oiled my gun up. It's in my holster. Goofy, man. So what is you doing?
Getting the oil off of it.
Why? Alright. What we finna do right now, just shoot at a target, see how the shots going, shit.
Oh God, I'm finna cut through the grass.
Lil Honcho say he finna shoot first.
That hoe jumping back like quicksand. Oh, that hoe. Let me see this hoe, Phil.
I don't even think he hit the target.
Oh God, I did. That hoe jumped up.
Grab the camera.
That hoe.
But that's a nice joint.
Yeah.
Ooh, gone hit that. The beam working on it too.
It do?
Yeah.
I don't even want the beam.
17 force reset. You saw where we shooting that jump?
Where the AR clip at? Oh, I see it.
Oh.
No, it's...
I didn't inject the shell. This mine limp wristed. That's what it was.
Huh?
Yo, at limp wristing.
That hoe is so fucking pretty. Hold on.
Wait. Motherfuckers, what's the name?
Alright, so it's one in the head now?
Yeah.
Let me see it. Alright, nah. Shit! That hoe loud as fuck. Oh, in my ear, let me see it. Damn!
What you want to do, fully or what's the name?
Hell nah. Don't put the fully on. No. Fuck no. That hoe gonna jump out my hand.
Don't let it jump this time.
Hey! It's not on fully, right?
Nah, it's on semi.
I bet. Oh God.
Wait, this Jay?
That hoe got my shit ringing.
That hoe is hell.
You like that shit, bro? I need some earplugs for that hoe. What the fuck? That fucking cookie cutter.
Come on.
Oh.
So you got stuck?
That fucking cookie cutter, fool.
Man, that hoe got my shit ringing, bro.
My super safety ain't working. Gotta get up there with Jay at. Ghosts go crazy.
Relax.
Hey, KJ, I ain't gonna lie. We don't know if we been hitting the target tonight. One in the head for sure, though.
thought you shot that motherfucker.
Alright, we got some drinks back there set up. I don't know if y'all can see. Got some joints set up right there. The gang ass finna shoot them joints.
Let me get back. That shit
Y'all
right
see how your aim is.
there.
Well, you got the one with no sights. Well, you finna see still had that joint there. Hey, you in the camera, cuz? Get the camera.
You missed it.
Miss. Ooh, 3? So we doing a 3-shot challenge?
Yeah, 3 shots.
Say no more. 3-shot challenge?
Bad though.
Yeah,
3 times. 3. You loaded that.
1, 2.
Damn, I can't see right. Hold
Ooh, last one. How many bullets you got in there?
You hit that hoe?
on. Yup.
Let me see.
Bust that bitch.
All right, so I'm finna do on 3 with the 19.
He hit that hoe. Damn, man. Let me see that hoe.
Ooh,
What you do that for?
any jick. Damn.
Oh, you missed.
Damn.
All 3. I smacked. I missed 2. Smacked the last bullet. Hit that. Blew that tub. I know y'all seen it. I know y'all seen it blow up.
That hoe blew up then.
Oh, God, it did.
Hey, fool. Y'all ain't gonna see this shit. No.
Bro, I'm backing up a little bit, cuz that hoe too loud, fool. I ain't gonna lie.
Which one?
That fucking ARP, cuz that hoe a little bit too loud.
ARP ski.
Hold on.
Mm. Here, get this black.
My bullet wipe, so you shoot that hoe. This bitch drunk.
Gun is on safety.
Y'all don't see my bullet, fool?
Cuz somewhere over there.
Come on, let me see that hoe though.
That hoe too loud. He hit that bitch.
First time, and he on you. Oh! First fucking time. What the fuck? My shit jumped out. I don't know where my shit
Here, use this clip.
I sure say still something in there.
Yeah, it's like 2 more now. You still got one in
at.
here,
That
right?
nigga just hit that hoe, fool.
Mm.
Hit that hoe, y'all.
He done went to the.
He just went to the target.
Fuck, man.
We got one more.
Yeah, we got one more 2-liter. And we got the shooting the target.
Hey, what's wrong with this hoe, guys? Look.
Take the clip out. Drop that bullet.
This bitch in there. Damn, I almost just died. Find my bullet, straight up on the third one, fool. I'm gonna use that hoe. We got one more bottle. Oh, for sure. Yeah, now y'all both hit one. I gotta hit one, fool.
You gotta do something.
Oh God, though. On Florida, Ray Evans. Oh y'all, motherfucker.
So y'all ain't gonna shoot the chopsticks? Y'all scared of the chopsticks?
I shot that hoe, bro. That fucking ARP too loud. I would have shoot it again, but bro, that hoe too fucking loud.
What am I talking about? It's too loud. Where the other bullet I just had?
So we're over there.
I thought I brought it over here.
Well, yes, it is right here. I think.
Where?
Right here, by the clip.
Yeah. Private property, so we can do what we want. Super safety mode.
Yo, what the fuck?
Fuck wrong with you, bro?
Yo, what the fuck? I'm right there. Light that bitch off like that.
Cause my shit need some oil.
Hey, what's up? What you say, bitch ass nigga, huh?
You missed both of them.
Okay. Oh. Hey, this hoe so nasty, right? I'm going about this. I'm in love with this hoe.
I'm finna bust that bitch, y'all. Watch this.
Kill a nigga with these hoes.
Oh yeah.
You gotta clear it. Let me trade it. I ain't gonna lie.
Y'all.
I ain't gonna get the chopper though. Their hoe split off.
Yeah, we really just out here just shooting.
Yeah, now we just out here showing it was some range content for sure.
You just took all them bullets, bro.
No, I didn't. I'm finna hit that bitch. Watch. I'm finna get in the camera. Camera, can y'all see? Let's see. Y'all can still see the bottom. Let's see. What? Oh, hold on.
See if the beam accurate.
I don't think so.
Yes, it is. I see it on the
I'm
bottom.
sure like I see it on the bottom.
You scared, be still.
Nah, I'm trying
God.
to catch it. I can't catch the motherfucker. I couldn't catch it. Oh God. Yeah. Yeah, like 2 left.
Let me see that.
Bully
Let me see. Yeah,
motherfucker.
let me see. See that hoe.
But that shit got my ears ringing so damn bad. I should have brought an ear protection.
Mm-hmm.
Well, hold on. What the fuck?
What? What you do?
Hey, what I do, motherfucker?
What did you do?
Now you ain't got no bullets in there.
So y'all hold that.
You the one that
We
just...
just out here soon having fun at this point, man.
God. You know.
Everybody just messing with a gun right now.
That's why. Damn, he hit that hoe. Oh, what the fuck? Hold on, right here. Oh, God, that hoe hit my... No, hold on, wait, bitch. I'm finna headshot this hoe ass nigga.
Gotta get the content
On my mama. Go look at that hoe, fool. Go, hold up. For anybody shoot, go look at that head, straight in the head. In
What
the
you
middle.
naming the yellow?
Yeah.
I see it.
I like this, huh? Oh, yeah. Go.
I'm sure not in the camera.
Y'all sure not in the camera for nothing. Oh. I ain't supposed to be at work at 4. I ain't even doing it. I'm trying to shoot the ghost shot real quick. I'm trying to put 5 bullets in this gun real quick. Okay, let me see that 19 again. Mine 3, I want to see you shoot fully, mine.
Bro, I just shot fully. You know
I'm talking about Glock.
to me.
This bitch hot too, boy. Oh God, this bitch hot.
Let me see what you can do with brother. That hoe, look, he nervous. That's it.
Fucking Gripper, his
Don't-
hands sweating
Don't
and shit.
drop that hoe, guys. Do not drop that hoe. I got paid for it. Just hold that hoe.
Just
Hold it, nigga.
I sure got a lot of bullets in this thing.
Just don't hit it all the way.
Well,
Yeah.
what you put in there?
Like 5.
Alright.
Let me see that hoe.
You over the way. I hope it ain't one in the head, nigga.
Oh, God.
And it is. Over the way and shit at the gun. I'm sorry.
Look at you. Hey, I ain't gonna lie, you can build some shit, cause I really thought that hoe wasn't gonna hit like
I
that.
like the fully though, I ain't gonna lie.
Nah, that shit too dangerous. Your arms are just shaking like a bitch. Okay, you think I ain't go? I'm gonna try that hoe one time though. I gotta hit. If y'all just hit that hoe, I gotta hit that hoe off.
Nigga,
Mama, I gotta hit that hoe
I
off.
just gave like 3 shots, cuz.
You lying.
Oh God.
He know it's more than 3 in that bitch. That's
Nah,
why.
what it is.
Huh?
Nah, what it is.
Nah, that's it right there. How many is it?
Like 4, 5.
Nigga think I'm a hoe.
Do the fully.
Shut the fuck up. You gotta hold the trigger
That's it.
lightly. You ain't
Let's
gotta
do the
pull the
last
hoe
two.
too hard.
Alright.
Hey, I need to load the hoe.
Hey, bitch is jacked.
I need
Right there.
I need reload the whole begin. Hey, come on, load the whole begin. Come on, yo. Oh God, that hoe so nasty, fool. Hell,
I wanna see you shoot the K, cuz. He ain't got no kick, cuz.
Hell, nah, I know it got a key.
Hell no.
I know it got a key. Move 3.
Oh, wow. There you finna shoot that
Just
hoe.
like that?
I ain't gonna do. I'm saying just like that.
Yeah.
But that hoe gonna kick. Hell nah, boy. That hoe high.
It's not, gang.
Oh God, that gonna kick.
You good. Who's that with two?
Just give me one more.
I'll switch down.
Where?
Flip it down.
I ain't gonna lie. Yeah, I'll shoot this bitch now. I ain't gonna lie. That hoe loud as fuck. Hell no.
It's ringing like a motherfucker.
Ringing like a beat. It's over with, nigga. All my shit dinging. Cause I can't hear for real. I don't like
me
that
see
hoe.
it. Let me see it real quick. Before you shoot it. Let me see it. Let me see it. But don't do that.
Her.
I think you blow that hoe.
I just want. Bro, this hoe ain't on fully right.
It's on safety. Flip it all the way over.
Hey, bitch. Trip the gun
Flip it
that
all the way
way.
over. Right there.
Alright, so this hoe.
Huh. You scary, bro. Just shoot that bitch. Fuck. Hey, put the hoe on see me.
Right there. You good. Alright, bet.
Put that bitch on see me, dude.
Yeah, know what I mean? Let me see what them clips.
This is the last one.
I busted y'all. Look. Damn, I missed. I think the tick was hitting me. God.
Right, my boy.
Y'all sleeping on my damn my 17, man.
That bitch go brrr.
Lock his ass up!
That shit sexy as hell. Oh, that green block, man.
That's why I didn't fucking go.
Bust his ass. Jay, you good, good.
Rest- That's why I didn't go.
It's all on my
I always fall. Yes, bro.
Ooh-wee.
I'm
Where-
all
where-
on it, bro.
Yeah.
Right here, bro.
Damn.
Get hit in the head. This is 392 if they block when we fled. Stop capping on way, got hit in the head. Cut the switch at the crowd, make the whole block fled. Stop capping.